Did you know that some companies out there are willing to pay you for a minute of your work? How's that done? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal top 4 websites that are paying you to test websites, different designs, and all that kind of stuff. And even for a minute of your work, you will be paid. Obviously, the more you work, the more you will earn. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I'm going to reveal top 4 websites that will pay you anything between $1 and $60 per test. And this is super simple. I'm going to show you one of these tests in a second, and this is one of the easiest methods out there, the simplest money-making method online. All you have to do is literally go to these websites, click on a few buttons, submit your answers, and you are done. In most cases, you will be done in less than a minute. In other cases, you will need to test these websites for 5 to 10 minutes, but you will get paid a lot more, up to $60 per test, so you can make a ton of cash. And I'm going to show you all of these websites right now. But before we're going to jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. So if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link is my top recommended resource when it comes to making money online and working from home, and the rest of the links are all free signups and free resources, everything about making money online and working from home. So check it all out. And right now let's just jump into the content of this video: how to make money in a minute for testing websites. This is a simple money making method. So let me just share my screen right here. The website that will pay you for every single minute is called an Enroll app. So just go to enrollapp.com. As you can see, it says help make the web a better place. Enroll lets you take quick tests to make the web a better place for everyone, help companies decide which logo is better, clarify content, or simply complete tasks on a website or app to ensure interactions make sense. Anyone can do it. So essentially, these companies are willing to pay you for feedback on how their website works, like what kind of a design look works better for them, etc. Right? So be the first, see what real companies are working on right now, and let them know what you think. Take tests anywhere. So addicted to your phone on tablet, fear not, you can take user tests on any device, phones, tablets, desktop, wherever you prefer. Earn your rewards. You can collect badges to show off to your friends, and very, very important, you get paid by PayPal. So this is what we are looking for, right? Change the web, be a part of internet's next revolution, help good ideas happen, make suggestions. As you can see, almost 450,000 tests taken so far. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on the check out a sample test just to show you how it all works. And you're going to see this is super easy. So welcome, let's begin. Let me just click on it. Begin the section. So click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. So as you can see, this is the site that you would normally see, and all you have to do is just click on whatever inspires you. So I would say out of all of this, I would say Las Vegas, because I want to go to Las Vegas. Let's click on continue. What does this page make you feel? Select up to 3. So let's begin the section. What does it make me feel? Definitely joy, definitely anticipation, and trust, because I would say this design is, I think it's, it's a trustworthy website that I would actually pay. So let's continue. Why do you feel this way? Optional, so you can type in whatever you want. Let's continue. Tell us a little bit about yourself. So gender, male, age, 35 to 44, education, college, and income. Let's do this. Complete test, and you're done. So thank you for taking our test. Become more testful and get paid. Now you're gonna go and sign up for the account. You can do this right now. So all you have to do is enter your email address and a password. They're gonna send you an email back, and you can start testing. Super simple. And unless unlike with other websites, this is a super simple process. So, you know, with other testing websites that I'm going to show you in a second, the sign up process might be a little bit prolonged, but they pay you more. In this case, you will be paid. You know, you saw this test, we took it, even with my explanation, it took less than a minute. You know, you can probably complete this test in under 10 seconds, and you're going to be paid between 20 and 40 cents. For longer tests, you will be paid $1. All right. So, and there are some tests that are like $2 or $3, but on average, this is $1 per test. And as you can see, you know, we can do these tests in under a minute. So this is the #1 website I wanted to show you. As you see, super simple. You can sign up and start testing today. If you want to earn even more money, I'm going to show you a website called UserTesting.com. So I actually reviewed this website and a bunch of others in my previous video, Get Paid to Test. I'm going to link to it somewhere here. And this is another site. This is not as easy as Enroll app, but this website pays actually much more. So they work with big brands like Walmart, Facebook, Zillow, CBS, Constant Contact. So user testing. If you know, you can check it all out. I'm not going to show you all of this. You can check out my other video to do it, but all you have to do is to click on Get Paid to Test. And as you can see, you can earn up to $60 per test. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, get paid. So super simple, very simple idea. Now with these tests, it's a little bit different. You will get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. So, you know, a little bit more advanced, but again, you can earn much more money. All right. So you can check it all out again, or check out my other video on UserTesting.com. So this is the #2 website that will pay you to test. And another one I wanted to show you is 99 Tests, and this is even more advanced when it comes to testing, but they pay you even more. So this is for software testing. So, you know, different software that are being released. I'm actually releasing a software 2 weeks from now, and you know, we need testers, so we need to make sure that this software actually works. So if you point somewhere, if you click, we need to make sure that this software actually takes you where it's supposed to take you. So all you're gonna do is either download the software and test it, or use it in cloud and test it, and just same again. You're gonna be a tester and just submit your rating, and you're gonna tell these people how it works. So you're gonna sign up, you can log in, you know, you're gonna get paid again for testing software. You know, this website right here is for software developers, but you can become a tester. All right. And the #4 testing websites is Analysia. I'm gonna link to it again, and this is, as you can see, another website that allows you to become a tester and test website and get paid. So you can test website performance by real users. A real user is you. So you can do it on a desktop, on an iPhone, on an Android, on a BlackBerry, on an iPad. And again, this is not software testing, this is website testing, and these tests are a little bit more advanced, but again, you will be paid much more than just $1 per test. All right, so these are my top 4 most recommended testing websites. You can make some pretty cool cash with it. You know, you won't become a millionaire, you won't be making thousands of dollars, but you know, $1 per minute, like with Enroll app, super cool. You don't need any skills whatsoever, and this works from anywhere in the world. If it doesn't work in your country, just use a VPN and you connect this way. And with user testing or the other two, you will be paid actually, you know, $10 to $30 to $60 per test, which is super cool. You can make some extra money on the side this way. All right. Right now, let's just go to my last video and let's see who won the free $10 giveaway. All right, so my last video is this one right here, 3 sites that pay PayPal money instantly. So let me just copy the URL. Let's go to YouTube random comment picker and let me paste the URL and filter up the duplicates. Let's see here, we got 82 comments, and let's pick a random winner right now. Okay, we got Manek Liji, and he left his PayPal email, so let me just send the $10 to him right now. Congratulations, and if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email. Very, very important, so I actually know where to send the money to. And if you have a question, you can always leave it in the comments as well. So let me just send the $10 to the winner right now. Okay, so as you see, I just sent $10 to the winner. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10. And also, please check out all the links in the description of this video. As always, please check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. As you can see, I'm recording a ton of free training videos on how to make money online and work from home. So if you enjoy these, please keep on coming back. I will keep on coming, with these videos for you. And I can't wait to hear about your success story. Ciao.